So hi team. So today, what I will do in this current session, will guide you to how you can configure any storage account. So basically, a storage account mainly used to store any flat file, backup file. So if you want to add a storage account, and after that you can create your container. So that container you can place your flat file, CSV file, Parquet file, any type of file you can share. And this like a blob storage mainly used for the, you can say it's storing a database backup. So why we are
Sir,
like,
one question, sir. One question, sir. First of all, I ask one question. What is the need of Azure factory?
so basically if you want to do any transformation, if you
So
can
we
talk
can
like
do it in SSIS.
yeah, you can do with a SSIS, but SSIS is on premise. It's not a cloud-based solution. And now
Okay.
companies are preferring to go with a, you can say it's a cloud technology they are looking for. And mainly due to license crunches, or you can say license issue, they are
Okay.
asking and they are suggesting to go with a Azure Data Factory.
Okay, sir.
If you can take an example, if you go with a SSIS, so you have to like a SSIS license. Along with a SSIS, you need a SQL Server license, because you have to schedule your SSIS package over the SQL agent, so that on basis of your requirement, like a monthly or daily or what time you want to execute. So on basis of that, you have to purchase a SQL agent license. It means you have to purchase SQL Server license along with, you can say, along with a SSIS license. And after that,
Okay, sir.
if
Okay.
if you want to develop any packages, so you need uh, .NET data tool, or you can say .NET framework you want. But here is no requirement of three software. First is a SQL Server agent. Third is your, you can say, SQL Server license. Uh, if next is, you can say, it's a SSIS service. And fourth one, you can say SQL Server agent, like a studio. This is not
Okay,
required.
sir.
Visual Studio is not required if you are going with a Azure Data Factory. So basically
Okay,
all
sir.
company, and it's easy to migrate. Let's suppose you developed your package in Azure Data Factory, and you can also migrate into the other cloud provider like a GCP, Google,
Okay, sir.
Amazon, anywhere you can move. So blob storage mainly it's the cheapest storage. You can say Microsoft, like a S3 bucket in a AWS. Okay, so what I will suggest you, how in this like a video or in this demo, what I will do, I will go through a step by step a storage account configuration, and after that I will upload one file or two files into the storage accounts. So let's proceed.
Okay, sir.
Create a storage account here. So very easy to, first you have to click create a resource. Okay, click here, and here you have to search a storage. Okay, so if any resource you want to create, first you have to search, like a click on create resource, and after that whatever your requirement, you have to search your storage or search your activities. So I have to create a storage account, so I search a storage, and I got below, it's a storage account is there. In a storage account you have to create a storage account, click here below, and then you have to provide your because in a previous I already created resource group, so I'm selecting a RG01. And next storage account to pass your storage account name, and it should be globally. Okay, so you can't put if any other client is created, so you can't create with the same name, you have to create separately. It means it's a globally unique storage account name. Okay, so let's provide here ADF. So basically this storage will use for the ADF. So I'm creating an ADF blob storage, okay, demo 01. Okay, so I'm creating this, or 100. Let's take this one. And then what we have to do, it's a geo redundant. So basically, what is the meaning of that? You want to, like whatever backup or whatever file you want to upload here, those should be it's a multiple copy will create an all like a multiple geolocation, geographical location will put. But I don't want only one location I want. So basically I'm going with a logical redundant locally. So I want to save locally only, and here you have to pass like whatever your zone, where is your database server, application server. On basis of that, you have to select your zones. So region I selected Central India. Okay, and nothing to change, no need to change any parameter. Directly, if you can proceed review, and you can create, nothing to change here. And after that, like it's a validating, and validation is passed. So I'm going for the creation.
Okay, sir.
So till now, if you have any doubt, if you can ask here, because account storage account creation in progress. So Abhishek, do you have any doubt regarding creation of a storage account? So mainly a storage account used for the, you can say it's the cheapest storage provided by the Microsoft. So you can save your file, flat file, you can share this location to any user, like any client you can share, and they can place their file, like a CSV file, text file, Excel file, any file they can share to you. And after that,
Sir,
your,
I have some question.
yes, yeah, tell me,
Hello.
Amrinder.
Yes. Storage account like a Google OneDrive, I think.
No, we can't say Google OneDrive. You can't push the backup here because you know some limitation is there. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And you can say it's this account also used for the Azure data lake storage. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So it's not a Google Drive, and you can set credential also. Like let's suppose you have a domain account, Active Directory. Okay. So
Yes.
let's suppose we are 4 member here. So 4 member have the different domain. Like a same domain we are lies. We are working in the same company. So we can
Yes,
add
yes.
a rights, like a read-only rights, honor rights, whatever rights we can, like a, let's suppose I want to add a read-only rights to you. So only you can view your files. Okay. So those are those type of facilities, not no, Google Drive you can say. And you can, on basis of like your storage, if you purchase a high volume of data, so you can place your data file also like a backup file, like a back file in a SQL Server file you can also place here. So next
Sure,
step,
sir.
so blob storage directly can't contain any backups, okay, or any files. So we have to create a container here. So left side, you will scroll down, you will get a container, data storage. You have to click here, container, okay. And now you have to create a container. So let me create a source, okay. Basically same step we did last time, but due to Azure issue, not working. But if you can try, that will work, I think. So we created container. Now container can hold your files, like a backup file, whatever file you want, you can upload here. So just I'm uploading a file because last time we tried to upload some CSV file. Same file, let's try to upload here. I'm selecting imply 0 and 02, both file I want to upload, and let's try to upload once again, it's working or not. And you can say uploaded successfully without any error. Okay. And same thing last time we
Sure, sir.
proceed, but it's not work. What is the next? Let me upload one image file. You can upload anything, any file you can upload here. So let's show you some like image file I want to try to upload here. Let's upload this file also. And uploading here. So 3 files uploaded. One file, it's a JPG file, and another one CSV file. So basically this storage holding this file. So you can view also, if you can click here. So you can see this is your file. So refresh this file. And if you want to download, like if you want to share this file, other person can check here and edit. If you go edit section, you'll get whatever data type is there, you can view here. Okay, so any file, like if you have upload Excel file, you can view from here also. No need any like a plugins. Next, let me open this one. And if you can like edit this one, so you can see this is a file. Okay, and if you want to convert into the CSV, just preview here, you will get all data inside your Excel format or something like that. Okay, so you can see it's very easy. Any file you can upload, any file you can view, whatever your requirement. So this is a very simple like a process to creating a storage and uploading a file into it. And also you can delete your file. Like let's suppose my file work is already completed. You can delete from here. So let's suppose I want to delete this one. So you have to select those and you can delete here. Okay. So so this is for today, and let's continue next video. We can like help you to create a SQL Server manage instance and how you can access. So basically, back to back, we'll go through 3 video and like a 3 video. What I will do first, I will created a blob storage uploaded file. Second step, I will create a, you can say, SQL Server manage instance, and I will configure connectivity from the local PC. And third video, we will create Azure Data Factory and we'll try to read blob storage CSV file into the SQL Server. So these are like a back-to-back classes for you. So let's stop from here. And once again, I will send you an invite. You can join after this meeting. Okay. And if you have any question, any person have a question, you can ask now. We have some times for you. So Sanjeev, your voice is not audible.
Okay, sir. Okay, everything fine.
So any doubt? Abhishek, do you have any question or query regarding a storage account?
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
Next video, I will ask some questions. First, I practice this and then I ask regarding the questions.
Okay, no problem. So let me stop for now, and after that we'll start next. After a few seconds,
Okay.
you have to join. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you so much.